let's look at how Nextech Practice Management handles payment posting along with age receivable follow-up. First thing to note, the ERAs will automatically download into our system and flag us if there's any potential warnings. In this case, there's a denial to have. Now, using our system, we can easily look at the EOB from here, or most importantly, we can check off one or many items to auto-create the payment. Before a payment is created, it will warn you of any problems. In this case, there's a potential duplicate, and will also allow you to set things like a deposit date, which is going to be when the funds actually hit our bank account. That's most important. From there, once the payment is actually posted, we're able to go into our AR work list and work any outstanding AR. With any of our work lists, we're able to set parameters, whether that's by provider, by location, by payer, and other means. What that will let us do is work the AR based off our filters. As far as how we work it, here we can update the status. We can just look at all of our notes. We can go into the encounter or ledger, or maybe we can do a rebuild process. Also from here, we can easily export our results to a CSV file for those offices that like to work in Excel instead.